For educators, the end of a term usually means one overwhelming thing: the crush of thousands of exams. It is a process that consumes hundreds of hours, and the actual grading is only half the battle. Teachers also lose entire weekends just formatting test papers and manually calculating grading rubrics. Today, we are going to bypass that entirely. GradeLab addresses this by providing an AI ecosystem designed to manage the entire assessment lifecycle within a single platform. The platform handles everything from the initial latex exam generation to handwriting evaluation and final curriculum analytics. By automating this entire pipeline, we remove the administrative bottleneck. The time saved allows educators to return to their actual jobs: proactive, targeted teaching. Step 1 is getting our source material into the system. We start by uploading raw text or a PDF study guide directly into the platform's generation engine. This interface shows the generated question paper. The AI extracts the core concepts from the uploaded document and structures them into usable questions and complete answer keys. A standard multiple choice format works for many subjects, but STEM and PhD level courses require mathematical precision. This preview pane displays the rendered output. The system seamlessly converts those standard text inputs into cleanly rendered LaTeX integral and matrix equations. Now that we have a complex test, we need a highly intelligent rubric to grade it against. Looking at the AI analysis column, the system recognizes specific academic context, categorizing physics concepts like time dilation without manual input. To eliminate calculation errors, it automatically balances the test's grading weight, confirmed at the bottom right. By combining clean mathematical formatting with these context-aware, auto-balanced rubrics, we have eliminated the highest friction barriers in exam preparation. With the test built, our next immediate challenge is deployment. We need to schedule this exam securely without creating a logistical nightmare for the administration. This timeline view displays our exam sessions. The automated conflict detection alert prevents double booking students across different time slots. On the right, selecting multi-factor access in the invitation dropdown ensures only authorized students can view the exam. Once the exam is complete, we enter the post-exam phase. Traditionally, this means facing the massive challenge of grading batches of analog, handwritten papers. This dashboard tracks AI digitization. On the right, the engine processes documents under 2 seconds per page with 99.5. In the center, grading logic maps directly onto messy handwriting, with color-coded highlights providing total transparency. Successfully reading and grading unstructured handwriting at this speed bridges the gap between traditional testing methods and modern data demands. A common fear with automated grading is that the resulting feedback will be too robotic. We solve this by customizing the output to match the specific culture of the institution. This interface guides the AI's tone. We open the Select AI Persona dropdown to choose a personality profile. On the right, the brutal and direct roast setting produces a highly engaging custom output referencing the student's messy code. Once we have delivered feedback to individual students, we need to zoom out. It is time to analyze class-wide performance trends. This chart shows the subject proficiency distribution. We identify exactly where a student sits on the bell curve, placing in the top 15%. Panning left, AI Key Findings extracts clear directives, listing history and abstract composition under Areas for Growth. By extracting these precise curriculum gaps, educators can immediately and confidently pivot their lesson plans to serve actual student needs. In just a matter of minutes, we have moved from a raw, printed document to a fully structured digital analysis. The promise is met. We have a fully graded, deeply analyzed classroom, and we achieved it without picking up a single red pen. For large institutions, this is not an isolated tool. This dashboard shows the handwritten grading API. An API, or Application Programming Interface, is a set of rules that lets different software programs communicate with each other. By simply clicking Request API Access, universities can plug this exact grading engine directly into their own existing software architecture. This final slide provides the direct path forward. Scan the Explore GradeLab or Book a Meeting QR codes to begin implementing this system for your own campus today. Adopting an automated pipeline takes assessment out of the past. It transforms a dreaded historical chore into a forward-looking engine for continuous student success.